A very good day to everyone. Welcome to Happy Learning. This is Kusma. Now we are going to learn about microorganisms MCQs. Important bits for NEET Foundation and Tech classes. Please share it, friends. The bacterium that converts the milk into curd. So which bacterium helpful for the conversion of milk into curd? Lactobacillus, Bacillus coccus, curd itself. Lactobacillus. Curd or buttermilk contains the bacterium Lactobacillus. The process of conversion of sugars into alcohol is known as sponging, production, Kelvin cycle and fermentation. The answer is fermentation. When dash is added to the dough for preparing bread, the dough rises. So, if we prepare any dough for baking products like bread or cake, anything, the dough rises. That is because of which one? Bacteria, yeast, sabudana and sugar. Answer is yeast. So, always remember baking products need yeast for preparation. Dough rises due to the production of which gas when we add yeast? So, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. The answer is carbon dioxide. If you observe the bubbles or pores in the bread, you can observe that is because of the carbon dioxide. During the process of dash, yeast is added. So, already we learned sugars into alcohol conversion is what? Fermentation. So, the answer is now what here? Fermentation. What happens to the dough on addition of yeast? Bubbles of the gas fill the dough. This is of carbon dioxide and make it spongy in nature. Increase its volume. So, all these can happen by addition of yeast to the dough. So, answer is what? All of the above. Yeast is grown in natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice. So, all the above is the answer. The process is used on a large scale in the production of alcohol, wine, beer, acetic acid is fermentation. So, always the alcohol production, bakery products production. What is the answer for that process? Fermentation. Dash is produced in sugar industry is used in the preparation of ethyl alcohol. So, what is the answer for this? Molasses. The process is called molasses. So, sugar industry is used. Molasses produced in sugar industry. This is only is used for the preparation of ethyl alcohol. So, from where they can prepare this? Sugar cane. Which of the following is an antibiotic? So, penicillin, tetracycline, streptomycin, erythromycin, all these are the antibiotics. So, answer is all the above. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Typhoid, gonorrhea, none, both A and B. Yes, typhoid and gonorrhea are the bacterial diseases. Sometimes they will ask about viral diseases, fungal diseases. So, we should remember the disease, how we are getting. Infections like septicemia are prevented by vaccination, injection, antibiotic and sleeping. So, what is the answer? Antibiotic. So, infections. So, whenever you across this word, infections is prevented by antibiotic mostly. Penicillin is extracted from. So, we know extracted by whom? Alexander Fleming. That is fungus. Penicillin is what? Fungus. The antibiotic extracted from Penicillium notatum is. So, Penicillium notatum and streptomycin, aspirin, penicillin, Ariomycin. So what is the answer? Penicillin. So from the Penicillium notatum fungus, we extracted the antibiotic penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Substances that killed bacteria were named as antibiotics by. So who kept the name as antibiotics? By Dr. Fleming, Dr. Subbarao, Dr. Hook and Dr. Jenner, by whom the name was kept to the antibiotics. Dr. Fleming. Molasses are used in the preparation of sugar, ethyl alcohol, wine and beer. So the answer is ethyl alcohol. The discovery of the antibiotic penicillin was announced in 1929, in which year Alexander Fleming was awarded the Nobel Prize along with other scientists. 1945. The scientist who discovered Ariomycin is Dr. Ella Pregadas Barrow. Dash protects us from getting the diseases over a long period of time. Vaccinations. Dr. Jonas Salk discovered vaccine for polio in the year 1952. Dash scientist discovered polio vaccine. Dr. Sabin. Dash discovered OPV, oral polio vaccine, in Dr. Albert Sabin. The weakened disease causing microorganisms which are injected into our bodies is called as vaccine. The scientist who gave us the first vaccine, Dr. Edward Jenner. Vaccine for rabies was discovered by, this was caused by dogs. So discovered by Louis Pasteur. The word vaccine comes from vacca, which means cow. So these are the some bits about microorganisms. Now we are going to learn some other bits. See here, about 78% of air around us is which gas? Nitrogen. Plants need dash mainly for synthesize proteins. So answer is what? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon. So which one is important for synthesizing proteins? Nitrogen. The microorganisms that help plants to provide nitrogen to the plants. Very, very important bit. The plants are leguminous plants. Answer is Rhizobium bacterium. Microorganisms which cause disease are called as. What is the answer? Pathogens. Vector is the carriers. Pathogens. So these are the important for cause the disease. So zoocytes and animals. Pathogens enter into our body through. So it may be from air or water or animals. Communicable diseases spreads from infected person to the healthy person. The person who discovered that female Anopheles mosquito are the carrier of the causes microorganisms for malaria is, we know, female Anopheles mosquito is cause for malaria. So, who discovered this one? Salk, Edward Jenner, Fleming and Ronald Ross. Answer is Ronald Ross. The insects and animals that carry disease-causing microorganisms are called vectors. So, vectors are the carriers. That means from the person to person, these are only the carriers to cause the disease, to cause the infection. Houseflies spread the disease like polio. Anthrax is caused due to MMR. Anthrax is caused due to virus. Tika disease in groundnut is caused by bacteria, virus, algae and fungus. Answer is fungus. Clostridium botulinum is causes botulism. So this is a food poisoning disease. Which of the following is caused by the fungus? Red rot in sugarcane, smut disease of rice, tika disease of groundnut and all the above. So all these options are correct for this question. Dash is the first person to prove experimentally that microorganism could be like by boiling in 1768. So the microorganism can be killed by boiling in 1978. Who proved this one is experimentally? Spallanzani, Louis Pasteur, Jenner and Francois. Spallanzani. In pasteurization, milk is heated up to. What is pasteurization? The killing of the organisms in the milk. So, what is the temperature for that? 15, 70, 100 and 27. Answer is 70. So, all these are about some MCQs in microorganisms. Important classes for NEET Foundation and TET. Our channel provides NEET Foundation classes and TET DSC classes for all biology aspirants. Please follow our channel, subscribe and share it friends. Thank you for watching.